All right, guys, today we are back on the SEASTREAM Angler 120, and the question is, can we catch fish on it? Let's go find out. Oh man, first cast over here. Calm down, fella. Let's see. You're not a very big fish. I hate when they fight like this, man. You don't want to get yourself stuck on your own hook. So when they're wiggling around like that, you got to be really careful. I know some bass fishermen don't care. They just slam their fingers down in their mouth. But not me. Not me. I'm going to be careful. Oh, let's get that thing out for you. First fish of the day. Actually, first fish on the SEASTREAM Angler 120. Got him right there. Let me, oh God, I have my rods in the water. Let me turn my camera off, and I'm gonna get some pictures of this guy, and we'll put him back in the water. And there you have it, guys. You can definitely 100% catch fish on the SEASTREAM Angler 120 fishing kayak. Go get one, man. SEASTREAMkayaks.com, $7.99. Get on the water, catch you some fish. You got no excuse. Go do it. Have a blast. Thank you guys for watching. I love you. I love you. I love you.